Well guys, a few of you wanted to see what this little CForce 600 can do with the mud tires on the snow. Some of you said it won't do very well. Some of you are curious. I'm curious. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna start out in two-wheel drive and see if we end up needing four-wheel. So let's go ahead. Come back drag a little bit. We ain't doing nothing heavy on her yet. She's been out here idling for a half hour. She's still on the cold side. Alright, we're doing this in high too, just because we're curious. Fantastic, right? It's not real deep or nothing, but gives us an idea of what we're going to work with. High range, two-wheel drive. Need four-wheel here. We're gonna need four-wheel drive here. frigid. I don't remember ever it being this cold. This is just nuts. I'm warm, but my face, my hands, well, they're fine now. I got them in the glove. Can't talk with this thing on. Hopefully the footage is good. So far, she's doing great. She's doing awesome. Oh. Heck yes. You guys know I got to play. Heck yeah. Woo! Guys, now you know she plows pretty good. Whew. Oh, fingers is cold. Well guys, I gotta say that was actually kind of fun there. Nonetheless, it fired right up, no issues. I did have to let it run for like a half hour, 40 minutes to warm up and everything. We are on the GoPro because wasn't gonna bring the regular camera out here in that cold mess. You know, some of you guys said that the mud tires probably wouldn't do so well in the snow, but I actually have to beg to differ, and maybe that depends upon what kind of mud tires they are. These ones are a very soft tread. We did a lot of that in two-wheel drive. Sure, we did have to need four-wheel drive at some point. No really getting around that. I probably could have fought it in two-wheel, but why fight it when four-wheel is right there? Plenty of power with my clutch kit, which you can find that at www.rngperformance.net. Plenty of power there, definitely didn't lack that, and we did it all in high range. That's the killer, because you guys seen I did have some snow in front of that blade. Definitely worked out. So all right guys, I want to thank you for watching this small video. Laura and I are going to be working on adding some stuff to this here and kind of trying to start to button it up and get it in a state of mind where we can maybe take it for a test ride. I don't know, but yeah. All right guys, peace out, God bless, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the next one.